Mario Kart Wii! Woohoo!
Okay, hello, hi. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to homebrew a Wii. So, what you will need for this is a Wii U, a computer with a working SD card slot, and an SD card. Now, a USB drive is optional, but it's not needed. So, there'll be two files you will need to download, which I will link those in the description, which is the file for Revolution and Preloader, which these are, in my opinion, the most two important apps for homebrewing a Wii. So now you should have two WinRAR zips, or normal zips if your computer has a built-in zip, and then your SD card root, which the computer I'm recording this on doesn't have a working SD card, so I'm just going to use this file, which just is SD card root, just for the sake of demonstration. Anyways, so what you'll need to do is, first thing you need to do is you need to make a new folder on your SD card. You're going to need to call it apps. I don't think you need a capital in there. So now this folder right here is the folder that all your apps will be stored on. Now from the Revolution zip folder, you'll need to go into it. Now there's going to be two Revolution folders. There's going to be a Revolution folder. You're going to want to drag that into apps. So now it should be a Revolution folder with apps. Now the Revolution folder in apps should have this set of stuff in it. With the icon, readme, meta, boot.elf. Those are the files that should be in here. Now we're just going to do the same thing with Preloader. And if it tells you that there is any folders that have the same name, just say no to all, just for the sake of simplicity and so it works. So now you're gonna want a new folder on your SD root that's just called Revolution. Now this is the folder that's going to be storing all of your XML files, like basically all the Revolution folder stuff, all the funny Revolution folder stuff. Now we're going to be taking our hands to the Wii. Now we're going to be going towards the Wii for the Wii setup of getting onto HackMe. So now is the portion of the Wii homebrewing we're going to do, where we actually homebrew the Wii, and we do the things on the Wii. Oh god, I need to hook my sensor bar back up to the Wii. So now that I have my sensor bar hooked up, we can actually start. So for this exploit, what you need to do is you need to go into the Wii options, Wii settings. Then you'll want to go to the portion that says internet, then connection settings, choose the connection you're using, and then change settings. Then when you want to hit this screen, you're going to want to hit +3 times. And then you want to have auto-obtain DNS, and you want to click no and advanced settings. Now this is what you want as your primary DNS. And this is what you want your primary or your secondary DNS to be. Now you want to click OK, confirm, and then you click save. Now the connection. Now it's just gonna do a connection test. So just let it do its thing. This might take a while, so just let it do its thing. Just sit back, relax, let it do its thing until it will prompt you with something. Now it should prompt you with this after it's done. You want to click no. And then you want to go back, until you see the screen. Then you want to click user agreements. You want to click yes. Now it's going to, quote unquote, download the user agreements for the Wii network services. But it's actually going to not download that, because the DNS is going to take us to a different page, which is how we're going to go to the Hackney installer. Might take a minute or two, apparently. Don't just do what it says. If you see this screen, you've done everything right so far. Now just wait for it to click 2 minutes. If you already clicked I accept or I do not accept, just do the exploit again. And if your cursor stops moving, just power off your Wii and then try it again. Now, this is the exploit I've used for most of it. There's more exploits than this, but this is the exploit that you'll use if you don't have an SD card and you just want to install the Homebrew channel. Which I don't know why we would, because you need an SD card to do it. Which might take a bit, so we're going to sit back and relax. Keep your rear mode on the screen so you see if the console doesn't log up. Oh, my console's screen's locked up. I gotta do the exploit again. So, if this happens, and you can see pointing my weird mode around and nothing's moving, you just power off your console and try it again. So, now I'm back with doing the exploit again. And basically, now we're gonna wait again. Alright, we're back. You click no, go back, user agreements, yes. And we're back here again. Whew. You must review the agreements for using the Wii network service, yada yada yada. And then boom, we're back here. Just gotta wait for a minute or two. Now it's showing the text. This is a good thing. This isn't a bad thing. This is just like it loading the Hackney launcher. This might take a while again. So you just wait. Now, this might be a bad thing. Which might seem like it's a bad thing, but it's not. That means it's loading the Hackney launcher. Now, here, you just wait until it says press 1 to continue. It takes a while to do it, so you just stay here and wait. Now press 1 to continue. You press 1. Now, you are in the Hackney installer. You've done everything good, and now you're gonna click install the Homebrew channel. I've already have it installed. It's gonna do its thing. It's gonna install the Homebrew channel. And then you just continue. Click boot me. You click install boot me as an iOS. Boom, you're done. You've installed boot me and Homebrew channel. And you click exit. And now it's going to send you to the newly installed Homebrew channel, which is going to have your apps. Which, if you've done everything right, you should see Preloader and Revolution right on the first screen. The only reason I have CTGPR channel on here is because I have it on my SD card as well. So yeah, that's basically it for installing the Homebrew channel.